Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to install Playstore into your PC or your laptop. The reason for installing your Playstore is because you can be able to access the same apps on Android, you can access them through your PC. Before I get into the video, remember to subscribe to our channel. Click that bell icon to turn the notification on so that every time you get to upload a new video, you'll get a notification to get more enlight on technology. You'll need to get into your browser. For this case, I'll be using the Google browser. After you get into Google, you need to tap on the square dots on the top right. After you click on that, you can see the options. The services for Google will pop up with different categories. So I'll just need to tap on the Play Store icon. After I click on the Play Store icon, you can see it is already opening the Play Store. Whatever app you want to download, you can find it on Google Play Store. So after I get into this Google Play Store, I'll have to add an extension or create a shortcut so that I can be able to access the Play Store from my desktop, so that every time I click on the Play Store icon, it will take me back to the Play Store. In order to do that, I'll click on the three dots on the top right corner. There are the options. I need to scroll down. I move down until I find the save and share option. After I tap on it, you can see it is telling me you can be able to create a shortcut, so I just need to do that. I'll tap and check on the open as window. After I check on that, I'll just create. I'll go back on my desktop and then I'll refresh. After I refresh, you can see the icon for Play Store is already as a shortcut on my screen. So every time I need to access the Google Play Store, I just need to tap on that icon and it will take me to the Google Play Store. I hope this video was educative. If you find the video of value, subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click on that bell icon to turn the notification on. You can also talk to me in the comment section.